But equally, there are other elements of bird watching. So you have the mindfulness element, the bird song, the fact that you're surrounded by greenery and how that helps you sort of psychologically. And that's been an element of bird watching that I really would like to sort of push and promote.
Good to see you, Dr.
Every time you go for a bird walk, you end up talking to people, and you learn from these people. So these are great social occasions. You talk to people, you learn about things, you learn about frustrations in relation to conservation. You realize that some things are not.
I'd like to thank Vina for having jointly holding this with us in Singapore. The collaboration is fantastic. The NSS, we have a group of very interested birders, but nevertheless, NSS are all volunteers. Whereas you guys, BirdLife, you guys are professional, you work in it full time. So I think there's a lot we can do to help each other.